Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of page breaks in Microsoft Excel. In the spreadsheet I have open, if I press Control P, I will see a print preview, and on that print preview I will see that this particular spreadsheet is going to print out on 2 pages. I'm going to press Escape to go back to my spreadsheet and show you how to manage the page breaks. I'm going to go to View at the top and select Page Break Preview. Here I will see where my page breaks are appearing, and I can actually click and drag to move them around. So I'm going to grab this one here between row 47 and 48. My pointer turns into an up-down arrow. I'm going to click and drag that down to remove that page break. Now when I do a Control P, it just shrinks it down so that it will all fit on one page. My name is Bree Clark, I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to get rid of page breaks in Microsoft Excel.